Let me talk about the last method of the presentation of data, which is the arithmetic line graph. This is that plotting which you have been doing even in the junior classes, wherein you plot on a graph. It is done on x-axis and the y-axis. It could be, for example, the sales or the import and export in terms of tons, and it could be the years on this side. So, for example, I say 96, 97, 98, 99, 2001, 2, 3 and 4, and from 0 to 200, 400, 600, 800, so on tons. In 96, it could be that the sale or the import was 40 tons, export 56, 97 50 tons and 40 tons, and 98 200 tons and 30 tons. So, when this has to be plotted, you have to remember about it, and two lines have to be drawn. It could be this way, that you are plotting whatever the figures are given down accordingly, talking about the export, and likewise similarly by the same you are talking about the import. Looking at the statistical figures which have been given below, you plot it on the x-axis and the y-axis. So, two parallel lines are being drawn depicting the import and export on the figure that we have called as the line graph, and this depiction is done on the graph itself. So, these were the various kinds of presentation of data which you must know as a student of economics, and that was all about your chapter. Thank you.